This is a very interesting co-challenge for white. So white obviously can make a real eye with number 1. So this is half a real eye here, but the corner is up for grabs, right? So if white tries something like this, what should black do? Right? Black certainly shouldn't just capture. This way, white will have another real eye with number 3. Black should also not play this move because white has this 2-1 point. And this way, this will also be a ko, right? Not a great ko for white. White has this local ko threat. Black can connect here, and the ko will continue like this. So 2 local ko threats for white. But this is not the correct answer because black doesn't have to play here, number 2. Black can come in one more space, and white is dead. White cannot cut off number 2, right? No matter how you try, number 2 is connected with the outside, and white has no eye space to make another real eye. So that's why number 1 doesn't work. So now the challenge is actually pretty fun. So white has to set up a ko here in the corner, potentially, but also it cannot give black sente, right? If you play something like this, black will come in, and if you make this eye, then black can destroy everything you have in the corner. So similarly, this won't work. Number 2 will just kill white very easily. Not many things to try, really. We try something like this, right? Black can destroy white's eye on the outside, and this is not enough eye space for white. What about this, right? This seems like a resilient move, but after number 4, once again, white is 1 move short of making 2 real eyes, and this ko won't count. This ko won't matter. So what should white do? You can try all the variations, and the only correct move should be right here. Not super intuitive, because personally I tried those first, but they're pretty obvious. They're both wrong. So this is an interesting move. What happens now is that if black plays on the outside, white can start a ko this way. So of course black can capture first. White will have to find a ko threat elsewhere. I don't think white cannot play here, right? This way black will come in, and what happens now is that black can destroy white's eye, and can white escape with number 9? Maybe if you play number 11, but again, this is going to be another ko, right? So it gets pretty complicated. So I wouldn't say number 5 is a local ko threat. So find something on the outside. If black connects here, I think black can connect. It is a local ko threat for our purposes. So white will have to make this eye, right? White cannot connect. Black can kill white very easily. So white will have to make this eye. And of course, to prevent white from having 2 eyes, black needs to come in, white needs to block, and black captures again. So this is how the ko will develop. What about number 2, playing something on the inside, right? So remember that what black does, white will have to play here number 3 and start this ko. And the goal now is to get black to connect here. This way, white can make this eye, and number 2 will be swallowed, and white will be able to live. What about number 2 right here? Now, white needs to prevent black from connecting. And if black destroys this eye on the outside, once again, white triggers this ko. How this will play out is that white is hoping black will connect here, which is fine, right? This is a local ko threat for black. And black can at least save this stone. So it's good for points as well. So black will connect here. It's a local ko threat. White cannot connect. So white must try to make this eye. Once again, try to make this eye at C19, and the ko will continue after number 12. So that is why number 1 can guarantee at least a ko, at least a fighting chance for white to live. Overall, difficulty is probably medium, but finding number 1 is not that easy. It takes many tries, and the ko is not that straightforward. So make sure you understand what's going on, and always let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.